bus. The art of the bus is well known in Banten, West Java since 16th century during the reign of Sultan Maulana Hasanuddin. When Sultan Ageng Tirtayasa became the Sultan of Banten, the bus is used as a tool to encourage the spirits of the people of Banten to resist against the Dutch. When the Dutch had a modern weapon, the people of Banten have the bus as a culture to pass on through generations from their ancestors, which is used as an effort to strengthen the motivation of the soldiers during the combats. The bus performance group is led by a Sheikh the Bus, who is at the same time a Sheikh Tariqat, the leader of the mystical fraternity in the village. A Sheikh the Bus leads a modest life of simplicity. Hence, he cannot be distinguished from the other villagers because generally he does not possess greater material wealth than they might have. Way of life differs very little from that of the rest of the population, though with the only important difference that the Sheikh the Bus generally adhere more strictly to their observance of spiritual and religious practice, such as performance of their ritual prayers. This illustrates how the principal socio-religious values are shared with their environment in the predominantly Islamic regions of West Java. Usually, the debut performance will be performed after the sunset prayer, the Salat Maghrib, about 7 p.m. Though sometimes the Sheikh will allow his group to perform in the daytime if necessary. During the few days preceding the performance, the Sheikh will observe a number of taboos, such as a total abstention from sexual intercourse and fasting from dawn till sunset. According Sanjin Amanuddin, the influence of the bus on society is profound and due in large part to the following factors. First, the bus is an integral part of the practice of invulnerability and self-defense. Second, the Banten people are very pious, such that only an art with deep religious overtones could develop in that society. Third, the bus is a rare art. Fourth, the bus is an art of the people, by the people, and for the people. Fifth, the ulamas believe that the bus is not contrary of their beliefs. One type of popular debus Banten is found in the Surosawan district Walantaka in Serang, headed by Muhammad Idris. The conditions required in preparation for the bus Surosawan are: first, a mandatory 40-day fast. The phrase Bismillah should be repeated as many times as possible at each end of prayer. Third, this passage from the Quran read 11 times. Fourth, have faith in what is taught and practiced. And the last, respect of the prohibition of Islam. The stage of demonstration the bus succeeds as follows. First, opening involves recitations of prayers and praise accompanied by a drum beat for 2 or 3 minutes. Second, recitations of verses from the Allah and His Prophet accompanied by drum beat. Third, Beluk, meaning songs that reflect the recitations of God's name with a loud voice performed by several people in unison accompanied by drums. Fourth, Silat. During the Beluk, 1 or 2 people take the stage for a demonstration of Silat with the bare hands. Fifth, the bus, 2 performers employing various instruments of the bus. For example, one person bears the almadat and places it on his belly, while another stands ready to hit the almadat with a sledgehammer. 6. Husking the shell of a coconut with one's teeth. When the nut is peeled, it is struck and shattered on the performer's head. 7. Drawing the blade of a parang against parts of the body such as arms, legs, and thighs. 8. Kerupuk or frying eggs on the head. The performer places on his head an urn consisting of a cloth soaked in the coconut oil. While the coconut oil boils, eggs are fried in it. 9. Passing lead torches over various parts of the body. 10. Standing up and sitting on the blade of a golok. 11. Eating glass. And the last, the gemrung, which is the instrument that signals the end of the demonstration. The bus exhibitions accompany all traditional ceremonies or magic only to distract to the people. The bus is a demonstration that takes place in a group. There are between 12 to 15 performers. One plays juru gendang, one plays penabuh terbang, two plays of penabuh dok-dok ting-tit, one plays penabuh kecrek, four recite the name of God, five performing demonstration of the debus, and one the entire orchestra. The waditra usually used are gendang, a drum whose beats accompany the dance. This gendang director is smaller than a gendang degung and larger than a gendang kulantar. Two kulantar or small gendang that complement the gendang tanggung. This is the same as the one that accompanies that gamelan degung. A terbang or large ribbon, which has the same function as a gong. Terbang is large ribbon, which has the same function as a gong. The terbang is wood and buffalo skin and the front is 60 cm in diameter. Two ting-tit or small dok-dok, made of wood and buffalo skin. These are the same are used in the reok. A cekrek, which regulates the entire rhythm. The cekrek consists of several thin strips of metal that have some form of a circle of a diameter of 15 cm. In addition to this, there are also instruments used in the demonstrations of the bus, such as almadat and gada. The almada is a kind of pique iron whose handle is round and has a diameter of 0.5 cm. The club is used to strike it. Instruments such golok, knives, needles, nails, and razor blades are also used. Clothing worn during the bus. Black clothing is predominantly used in the bus. First, baju kampret, a shirt without a collar having two pockets, lower pockets, and long sleeves. Second, pangsi celan, trousers worn without a belt, can be tied as a sarong and worn with pinggang ikat, a kind of scarf that serves as a belt. The leg portion should be long enough to allow ease of movement during demonstration. And the last, lomar, or headscarf, batik, which is formed into a triangle of square. The players' debut consists of a sheikh, leader of the game, some people, physical players, and the drummers. 1 or 2 weeks before the show, usually the bus players will implement abstinence-specific restrictions to be safe when doing the show, namely, first, no alcohol, second, no gambling, third, no stealing, and the last, no make love with her wife or other woman. The bus is usually done in the yard at the time of the holding of other events to involve many people. Equipment used in the game are the bus with a rod, machete used to slice the body the bus player, knife to slice the player's body, bulbs that will be chewed or eaten, pan used to fry an egg on the head of the player, coconut, kerosene, and others. The bus game generally begins with echoes several traditional songs. After it, then continue with the reading or recitation and isnad mekepet containing praises to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and Prophet Muhammad. The debus player need to pray for him immune from sharp weapons. One example of the spell is, forbidden you touch my skin, forbidden you drink my blood, you're forbidden to eat flesh, muscle of copper, bone of iron, skin of steel, I come out from the womb of the mother, I say words no God but Allah. And when the attraction of eating from broken bowl, what they spewing later is not broken glass that they eat but bad dead life. The martial art of the bus banteng conducted by the society. If examined in the depth, they need the contains the values that can be used as a reference in a common life and the profession of life in the future. These values include teamwork, hard work, and religious faith. In this case, someone who wants to play the bus must be practiced continuously while running the terms in specific restriction for so they got the perfect ability. Nowadays, there are many debus warriors live in Walantaka, Kragilan, Serang area. It's unfortunate that their quantities are decreasing through the years due to their youngsters prefer other activities as their source of living. Other causes are the fact that these performances are very dangerous. A lot of the players were injured during a performance due to lack of practice or somebody simply playing a prank with them. As time passes, the art became lessened. In the old times, we could watch the bus almost in all areas in Banten, but now we can only see it in certain events. It's a heritage which has been crushed by the flow of time.